Very good afternoon, sir. I am Karthik. I am currently pursuing data science course at Aegis School of Data Science.
Hi Karthik.
Sir, may I know what motivated you to pursue a career in data science?
Okay, so basically I am from 2020 February batch. So I started my career with a mechanical engineering background, but later on I wanted to implement some new new technology and adapt it for change. So I chose to do the data science course, and later on I just learning from basics of Python and SQL, I started my journey in data science. So basically the main motive of my doing data science is to adapt the new technologies. That's it.
Sir, what are the challenges that you have faced on your career while starting?
Okay, while starting my career in data science, I was not aware about the coding at all. Like I just started from the basics of Python language. So, but as I practiced the things, later on I got to know a lot of things, and then I got to got the clarity in this field. Yeah.
What are the things that you have for updating yourself? For you are updated your day-to-day life, right?
Okay, so for upgradation in my day-to-day life, curiosity is very important. So I chose to learn a lot of new technologies like upcoming generative AI, right? So if something comes in the market, you should be aware about it. So I tried learning those things, and of course from my seniors also, what exactly they are learning. I was curious enough to learn more things from them, and I chose to learn that.
So may you know where you are currently working and what is your role on the company?
Okay, so currently I am working with Lendin Club as a machine learning engineer. So basically I am more often working with the scorecards or developing machine learning scorecards to take the business decisions, or also the AI part, like for automation of different departments, or also customer service, then how we can reduce the manpower as well, likewise.
Yeah, that's great, sir. And what are the new algorithms or new things that you are using in your field right now?
Okay, so basically this is a new journey of generative AI. So basically we are implementing different APIs of BARD and GPT-3. Also we are training our data, upcoming data with different this kind of algorithms, so that we can get a better platform for our own database system, auto AI, right?
So while doing some ethical consideration with the data, which type of ethical consideration do you consider while taking the decisions?
Okay, so while taking decisions for the for data security, we usually focus on a lot of security options in AWS they provide us. Okay, so apart from that, we have systems or VPNs established to for the data safety, or it should not go in the other hands as well, right?
May I know what are the tools that you are using for collaborating with your teams? Maybe you are having multiple teams with you, right? You need to communicate with the client, and you need to communicate with some other teams. You need to communicate with the developing teams. What are the tools that you are using to communicate?
Okay, so basically my role is to interact with all the teams. All the other teams are my stakeholder. Okay, so basically I need to learn each and every tool they are using. Like for example, if I want to go into CS, I need to know what exactly CS is using. And considering the basics of like what exactly data science tool we are using, so Python language is the must. Like we are using the VS Code, then SQL DB Viewer and all, and also AWS Athena as well. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Karthik.